summer, go for a ride. But sometimes a good ride can be a little too intense. You are a queen when you get on the motorcycle, and you have got a bird's nest on your head when you get off. Even in the hot summer months, Barbara still wants to do her makeup. She does her eyes and her lips. Okay, my makeup is done. I can go. Oh, it's so hot! The makeup is obviously not ready for a test drive like this. She'll have to go home. Unless, of course, you want to walk around looking like the Joker. Nothing can stop a nice conversation. Well, unless you need to do something else. Oh, we're late! Ah! My glasses are tangled in my hair! Calm down, Sally. Just don't make any sudden moves. Oh, it hurts! Releasing the glasses from the hair takes special skills. There will definitely be some losses. But what else can you do? It hurts, though! Oh, it's been so long since I've worn this ring. Sally's trying to put the ring on. And here's the weird thing. It used to fit. Why doesn't it fit now? Okay, let's try the others. Unbelievable! It's the same story. Did they all shrink? No, your fingers just get bigger when it's hot. What a great shower! What's all this? I prefer to have smooth armpits, you know. Yay! Just how I like it! But not for long. How can it grow so fast? I can't shave fast enough. Maybe it's because it's so hot outside? When a friend invites you to go for a motorcycle ride, how can you say no? That's what Emily thought. Of course, she is not dressed for the occasion. But there's nothing she can do. Wow, it's windy. Hold on tight. Thanks for the ride. The ride made some adjustments to her appearance. What am I supposed to do now? Playing games outdoors is a fun thing to do during summer. It's so nice to play ball like being a kid again. But your long hair gets in the way. It's better to tie it up. It also leaves sweat marks on your back. How can I hide it? It's okay. This could happen to anyone. Hanging out with a friend in the park is so great. Oh, hello. 3 of us can have even more fun. Well, that's enough sitting. Let's go. You should have seen it. Barbara and Sally don't understand why Nikki is laughing. Look, the bench left traces on the girl's legs because Barbara's wearing a short skirt and Sally's wearing shorts. But the result is the same. But Nikki's fine because she's wearing pants. An open shoulder dress is a good way to get positive attention on summer days. But the bruises and cuts on the legs aren't nice at all. It's kind of ruining the vibe. Where did they come from? Every girl knows this problem. Ugh, it's so hot. I'm so sweaty. Oh, right. Thanks to modern technology, you can just turn on the AC and relax. That's way cooler. It doesn't take long to get the result. Now you need tissues for your runny nose. Brr, it's cold. Time to turn the freezer off. Good morning! Sally's in a great mood. It's the start of summer. Oh, so it's time to remember your favorite summery clothes. Should I wear this dress? I think my clothes shrank over the winter. I'll have to try something else. Unbelievable! It doesn't fit either! Well, this oversized shirt should fit. way! Why is Sally moving like that? Is she sick? Ah, there's the answer. When you walk in the heat, your legs rub against each other. And here's what happens. It hurts! And it makes it really hard to wear shorts or skirts. You'll have to walk like this. It can be windy on the beach. And if you wear a short wrap dress, you have to be careful. Now you have to stay alert all the time. It's nice to have a friend with you. To give you a towel. It's okay it doesn't look as nice as the dress. At least it's safe. It's so nice to get out of the sea and put on shorts and a t-shirt right away. Right over your swimsuit. Don't forget about the hat. But your swimsuit was still wet. Now Nikki has to stay on the beach for a while. Dry first, then go. Going shopping during summer is the best. After all, summer clothes are so beautiful and light. This dress, for example, Sally can't wait to try it on. It's fine, except her bra straps are ruining everything. Well, let's try another one. Everything looks great. But the back is too revealing again. Third try. Well, what's wrong? It's the same thing. My friend's patience is out. She takes a radical approach to the situation. Where is she? I've been waiting for so long. I'm out of websites to check. Oh, finally! Hey there! Oh, what is that? Summer surprises. You know, sweat traces. Now you have to walk like this. That's not the end of your troubles. You stepped on something, and now your white sole isn't white at all. It's a good thing Sally keeps wet wipes with her. Whoa! Sweat under the backpack straps. Wow, you must be so hot. Wipes won't help you here. Anyway, just hide it, like this. A ride in a car also brings surprises. Sweat marks on your clothes under the seatbelt. Hopefully the shirts will dry out quickly in the sun. Yoga classes on the grass are the best! There is beauty in finding harmony with nature. But the hot sun can wear you out. You have to take your clothes off. It'll get easier. Oops! What a tan! So smooth! On the legs, too! We need to fix this! Summer is great, but you still have to work. Poor Sally!
Hey.
Her friends are having a very different time. They are on the beach. A video call from the seashore makes Sally sad. Vacation? Never heard of it. She can only dream about it. A beach with warm sand is so nice. But if you walk on it in your shoes, it's likely that the sand will come with you. Well, I think I got it all out. It's time to undress so I can tan. Oh no! What's hiding in my shorts? Sand, of course! It's getting everywhere! Reading a magazine doesn't take that much physical effort, but Nikki's face is covered in sweat. And she's thirsty. Well, of course, it's summer. It's good to have a bottle of water with you, but it runs out pretty quickly. She's all sweaty again. You need to switch to a bigger size. Seriously? Okay, here's another powerful thirst killer. How does Nikki hold that much water? I mean, she drank more than the 8 glasses of water doctors recommended. It's not getting any better. It's hot and I'm thirsty. Break out the big guns. We have to ask, aren't you going to burst? Well, luckily, the bathroom is right around the corner. Even still, summer is a beautiful time of year. Or do you like winter better? Tell us in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any new videos about summer and more on Troom Select.